Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing my Stitch Fix box for the month. I have a little box this time, which probably means I'm most likely going to have lots of clothes. I really like the preview. I'm still loving that. I think I chose like 3 out of the 5, left 2 for my stylist or something like that. I can't remember exactly. I also decided to include something that I ended up buying off the shopping feature on the Stitch Fix website. Sometimes that really gets me, and I actually find myself really enjoying the shopping feature more so than the boxes sometimes. Well, kind of a lot of the time recently. But if you have not tried Stitch Fix out, I am going to leave my referral link down in my description box. I also have my Trunk Club referral link down below as well. I always like to mention that I do prefer Trunk Club over Stitch Fix. I've just found that the stylists have done a really good job of getting the pieces that I specifically request. I have a very specific style. It's very romantic and feminine, and I've just found that I've gotten the pieces that I've wanted from them. I have found myself enjoying Trunk Club a little bit more. I mean, you get more, I don't know, I've just found it to be a little bit more my style. But I know that's not the case for everybody. A lot of people really love Stitch Fix. So I continued to do the reviews, and like what happened today, I ended up going on the shopping feature and I ended up really liking something on there. So anyway, just to inform you as to where I am with all that. But if you are new here to my channel, I do have new videos up every Monday and Friday. So if you are interested in seeing more from me, everything is basically about romantic fashion, lifestyle, clothing hauls, try-on hauls, all that. So if you enjoy that type of content, don't forget to subscribe and then click that little notification bell as well. That will just remind you what time my video is going to be up for you every Monday and Friday. I'm going to do this first just in case I want to style these with any of the outfits that I might get in my box. They are a pair of sandals, and oh my goodness, these are so cute. They have this square toe on them, and I think the colors just really are what drew me to these. It has a light pink strap and then a bright orange one. Adding splashes and hints of color like this in the summer is just perfection. I really liked them because the heel isn't too much on them. Believe it or not, I was on the shopping feature looking for black basic sandals, and I ended up getting these. But I know I'll wear them. Like, I know they'll go with everything. I mean, a lot of pieces that I have in my closet. So I just wanted something fun like this. I don't know why, but I have really been on a sandal spending spree. Love these. And I got them in a size 10. Quality is really, oh. I'm going to continue moving on to my Stitch Fix box. Those are the things that I chose for myself. I try not to go on the shopping feature too much because I end up finding things on there. This is the return shipping label to return anything that I don't want from this box, and then you also get pricing information and the note from the stylist as well. Ooh. So this first piece is, I think it's one of those bralette and cami mixed together like a brami. Oh, they're calling it a cropped performance tank from Free People Movement, which I really love stuff from them. The quality is always really nice. They have some really nice workout stuff. It's definitely meant to be very cropped. I got it in a medium large, and it doesn't look like that, but I mean, it's kind of like that material that's going to stretch out really far. It's very soft. This is the type of thing that I really like wearing with high-waisted linen pants or like a high-waisted maxi skirt or something. I like to mix it up. If I'm going to wear like a really nice cropped tight top, I like to wear it with like a loose flowy bottom, you know? This one would be perfect for something like that. I would love it if it was in a cream color, to be honest, or like a pastel pink. Even a pastel blue would be really pretty, or a yellow. So I'm actually gonna go show you what this looks like on as I go, and then I will talk about like pricing and all that at the end. It's just kind of like my little routine that I have with Stitch Fix, so. Love this top, especially since it's so cropped. It lines up perfectly with these high-waisted linen pants, and I like that a little bit of skin is showing through because that way I can get a little bit of sun if I'm walking my dog or something. But this is definitely something that I would wear for the summer. with looser bottoms because I like fitted stuff like this. If I can pair something loose and flowy with it, they just work together. I feel like it's such a nice modern lounge look. I'm probably gonna go on the Free People website and see if I can't get a couple of these tops in like a pastel, a light color, something like that, or maybe even wait for them to go on sale. This is in a really pretty polka dot sheer style. Material feels really nice. I'm actually pleasantly surprised with this one. Oh good, it doesn't have that clasp in the front. It's just kind of sewn shut so I don't have to worry about like buttons popping out or something. It has like that scalloped neckline, which I think adds some detail to it that I appreciate. I could see myself wearing this with like a pair of white shorts or something like that. It is from the brand 9 Britain. It's the faux wrap blouse in black, and this is a size medium. And I do think that this is going to be a perfect fit, especially since it has the elastic at the bottom of it. So I'm going to go come up with an outfit and continue moving on. I love the neckline of this, and especially since you don't have to worry about like the snappy coming undone. It's sewn shut, so I don't have to worry about that. But you do have a little bit of that elastic around the waist, so it kind of sits like right here. It's kind of in between a crop and regular fit, but I would say it's leaning more so on a cropped style on me. It also has this little tie on the side, which I forgot to adjust, but it is there. And I was thinking that this was going to be like a sheer, almost see-through top, but that's not the case at all. The light was just kind of showing through the lightness of the fabric in my studio, and it's definitely not a sheer blouse. It's just very light material. This next piece is a mini dress from Fortune and Ivy. It's a size large, and this one I do remember putting in my box. I just really liked it for the color. It has that wraparound style at the bottom with a little bow to gather in at the side. I love that it has this little scallop style along the arms. I'm interested to see how this material is going to be when I actually wear it and like walk around in it, because it seems like it might be a little bit of that material that might cling to you when you walk around instead of like flowing behind you, you know? But I am going to go see what this looks like on, and I think I have gotten stuff from Fortune and Ivy before, but anyway, I'm going to go try this on. Love the color of this one. It's so bright and cheerful, and like I was thinking, it is kind of sticking to like the fabric a little bit, not necessarily to my skin, it's just to the fabric itself. It does kind of drape down a little bit in the back, which I really like, and close up this little pattern is just so cheerful. It's also in that wraparound style, and it wraparounds pretty far and then kind of is sewn up right there, so I don't feel like I'd have any issue with that. And with this dress, I did go with a strapless bra because otherwise I would end up getting straps since it is a halter style. But I really like the little details on this one, especially just like the little bow on the side at the waist. I feel like that's just something that I like. I do actually have a dress in my closet that's very similar to this one, but this one, I really like it. Okay, this is so cute. It's a romper, but it almost looks like a little mini dress. It has a bow on the side, little stripes on it. You do have elastic around the waist, which I'm always on the lookout for. As far as getting into this, you do have a zipper in the back along with a little keyhole button style, which should make it pretty easy to get in and out of. I really hope that this one is reasonable and that it does fit me because this is really cute. Usually I'm not drawn to stripes like this, but this one I am. I feel like it's done in a way that's kind of in a vintage style almost. I don't know. I'm not sure what it is. So I'm gonna go try this on, see what it looks like. Hopefully it'll fit right, and then I will finish off with the last piece in my box. the look that I got with this little romper, but as I was putting it on, I was having a little bit of issue getting it over my hips. But I really like this little wraparound style in the front. I feel like that's such a cute look. It almost makes it look like a mini dress, but you don't like have to worry about anything like flying up or anything. This little bow is just everything. I would love to get it just for this. I think it's really cute, and I actually really like the length of the romper as well. I have this halter style in the front, which I really like, and you definitely want to wear a strapless bra with this because it does kind of have that style where you would see straps if you didn't. And as far as the material of it, I do like that it's light. It definitely feels like a nice summer piece, but I am noticing a little bit of irritation, and that could be because it's very fitted around my hips, so it's just rubbing against my skin a little bit, but that's really the only thing that I'm noticing about it, aside from it being just a little bit too small. But the whole style of this, if I can find something similar to it, I would love that. This is a white denim mini skirt from Just Black. It's the Stormy Released Hem Denim Skirt in off-white size large. It has that frayed hem. As far as quality, it's really nice. It has some stretch to it. I'm gonna go see how the fit is with this one and see if I can't come up with some cute outfits, and then I will be back to talk about the pricing. Definitely liking this skirt more than I was thinking because the length is actually perfect for me, and I'm 5'11", so it's not very often, or it's not usual that I find pieces that work for a taller figure, and this one definitely does. I was testing it walking around, and it is kind of in that style that does ride up on you as you walk. I think I probably could fix that just by wearing it with a belt or something like that, but as you can see, like even right now, it's just kind of wrinkling up just a little bit. So that is something that I noticed about it. I do really like the quality of this mini skirt though, because I feel like it's one that would definitely last a while. It does kind of just adjust to your figure just since it has that give in the material. For a mini style, I feel like it fits me very well. I'm gonna look at the pricing of these. Let me see who my stylist was. Okay, so I did end up getting another stylist, and her name is Emma. Thank you, Emma. I feel like she did a really good job with this one. Definitely getting more of that summer feel that I was hoping for. First, we have the faux wrap blouse. I believe that's this one, right? And this is $42. That's a really, I feel like that's very reasonable for this, to be honest. Like, the material is really good. I mean, I do have something very similar to it. And I'm not really looking for polka dots right now, but this is cute. I like it. The Free People Movement teal green crop top. This is $30. Okay, if this were in like a pastel pink or pastel blue, I would be getting these. I might actually see if I can find some of these in a different color. I really like it. $30 is not bad for this because it feels like really good quality too. So yeah, so far I'm actually really impressed with the pricing. The Just Black Stormy Released Hem Denim Skirt in off-white size large, and this is $58. Once again, I feel like that's actually very reasonable. I'm glad I tried it out though, because I was curious about this style to see if I would be interested in more of the denim mini skirts. I feel like I would. I just want patches on them, you know? Little heart patches, or more of some, I don't know, something unique. Which actually, I could probably DIY that and add patches to this. No. Okay. I'm gonna keep moving on. Gracie knit scalloped dress, Fortune Ivy, size large, $54. I do think that you could find something like this at TJ Maxx and probably for like 20 bucks. So I don't want to like completely say no to this dress though, because it's really pretty and I think the material is definitely up there. It's good quality. I personally don't feel like I need it. I have plenty of dresses in my closet that need to be worn. Then the last one is the ruffle detail romper in blue size large, and this is $44. That is not bad. I would prefer to have something just a little bit better quality, but I do feel like that price is pretty reasonable for this. And the look that you get with it is adorable. Like, it's so cute. And it's something I would definitely wear, but I know that itchiness would get to me. The Stylist Pick subtotal is $228. The buy all discount, 25%, subtract $57, so the order subtotal would be $171. I feel like that's the best I've ever gotten. As far as keeping anything, I am for sure going to be keeping these sandals. I love them. But the rest of the pieces I got from my box, like, I really liked them, but I'm gonna hold off for now because I ended up getting a lot more than I thought from my trunk club, and I don't feel like I need any of these in my closet. I feel like I got some good basics though, like that skirt. If I didn't have a mini skirt, the one that I wear all the time, I feel like I probably would have ended up keeping that and adding patches to it or something. I don't know. I'm really glad that I tried these out because it does help me kind of narrow down as to what I'm looking for. I am definitely going to be keeping an eye out for a romper like this because I do need stripes in my closet. I don't think I have any stripes in my closet now that I think about it. And this one I really liked. So I'm going to be keeping an eye out for something like this, just better quality. Anyway, that is everything for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you very soon with my next video. Bye.